This is ARLO Pro 3 and today I'll show how you can use the camera flashlight on this device. So to start, you will need to take your phone, then launch the ARLO Secure app. Next, open the Devices section. Here, Devices. Then tap at the camera you would like to use the flashlight of. And here, just tap at this icon here. Once you tap this icon once, the flashlight, the torch, will get enabled, as you can see. And in order to switch it off, just do the exact same action. Just tap at this flashlight icon. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.